In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use notifications in Monday.com. Let's start on your Monday.com home. Once you're signed in and looking at your workspace, you'll find the Notifications hub at the top of the screen. Click the bell icon. This is your command center for everything that needs your attention. Updates from boards you follow, items you're connected to, and activity from your teammates. Think of it as your daily inbox for work, helping you decide what to look at first and what can wait. Inside the Bell panel, choose the All tab. This view shows every notification in one place, so you get a full picture of what's happening across your workspace. It's especially useful when you've been away and want a quick catch-up. As you scan through, you'll see who triggered each update, which board or item it relates to, and when it happened. Even if you prefer to work with more focused views, starting with All gives you context so you don't miss something important. From the same notifications panel, you can bring new collaborators into the loop. Click Invite New Members. This is handy when you realize a teammate isn't seeing updates because they're not in your account yet. Next, choose Invite with Email. Type the email addresses of the people you want to add. Keep your message clear and concise so they know why they're being invited and what to expect when they join. You might include which boards they'll use or the kind of notifications they should watch for. Remember, if you don't see the invite option, your account permissions may require an admin to handle invitations. Now, for a more focused workflow, switch to the Mention tab. This filters your notifications to mentions, which are direct calls to you in updates and item conversations. It's perfect for spotting questions that need your input or decisions that are waiting on you. Checking this tab regularly helps you respond quickly and keeps discussions moving. Finally, open the Assign to Me tab. This view concentrates on items where you're the owner or primary assignee. It's the most action-oriented section because it highlights work that is explicitly yours. Use this to plan your day, align priorities, and confirm what's on your plate across different boards and projects. That's it. Use All for a complete overview, Mention to respond faster, and Assign to Me to drive your tasks forward. With a quick check of the bell, you'll stay informed, aligned, and in control of your work.